just tuned in, we're doing some cyber trucking right now.
We actually had to slightly turn the car at the end so it didn't hit the wall. So this, you have here a car that is, bullet tough, like that phrase, TM, and can outpull an F350 diesel. Has a massive towing capacity, massive bed. It's basically an incredibly useful truck. It's not just some grandstanding showpiece like me. It's actually very useful. Now, what about performance? So this, I should say, it has an adaptive air suspension. So no matter what the load is, you can always have it can set the ride height at low, high, anything. It'll automatically adjust the damping according to how much load it's carrying and the road conditions. It has a 17-inch ground clearance. Now, that's a true 17 inches. Typically with a truck, you'll get the differential hanging down low, the rear differential, and that's what you'll high side on a rock. But this has a completely flat bed, so you could drive over basically anything. We actually took the Cybertruck on a Baja rally drive. So this is insane off-road capability. It has locking differentials, rear torque vectoring, and the crazy thing is they'll do this all in comfort. It has steer-by-wire, which is it's one of the things where most people don't know what that means, but it's how modern jets are designed. The steer-by-wire, which gives you variable gain. So if you turn the wheel the steering yoke a small amount in the parking lot, it will turn the wheels a lot. But if you turn it on a highway, it turns the wheels a small amount. So it dynamically adjusts how much the wheels turn according to what your speed is. And this actually makes it very easy to drive. It has a turning circle less than a Model S. So this thing can practically turn it, rotate on a dime basically. It has incredible low-speed maneuverability. And then there's a lot of advanced details under the skin. It's the first time that a car is moving to a 48-volt low-voltage architecture from 12 volts, which has been around for 100 years. We have Ethernet comms, distributed controllers, allows for 70% less wire in the car. And it's really, the internals are as advanced as the externals. It's a whole new step change in the technology. So let's take it to the racetrack and see how does the Cybertruck perform against a Porsche 911. And I should say this is an actual Porsche. We literally just got it from the dealer, 2023 Porsche 911.
Here we go. Brilliant.
But wait, there's more.
It was pulling. It was pulling. It was actually towing a Porsche. That's hilarious.
So it can tow a Porsche 911 across a quarter mile faster than the Porsche 911 can go by itself.
That's brilliant. That's brilliant.
I should say tougher than bullets. Tow pretty much anything. Faster than a 911 while towing a 911. So,
fantastic.
And begin now. Thank you.
Is that the end of the event, I wonder? Pretty impressive stuff, right? Here they come. Look at this. Pretty impressive stuff. So deliveries begin now. Very, very exciting. It's got to be good for Tesla, hasn't it? There's not another vehicle on planet Earth like it. Anyway, that looks like the end of the presentation. Doesn't seem to be any more right now. So very, very exciting stuff. Wow, can you believe it? We've got a Cybertruck that can pull a 911 faster than a 911 can drive itself. That kind of just buries the competition in my book. What do you think of that? That really, really does. Anyway, we had a technical issue there earlier. The stream ended all of a sudden, and let's have a look what's going on here. And we had to restart the stream, so I apologize for that.
As we're handing over production Cybertrucks to their actual owners. Thank you for buying Cybertruck.
Well, that's the first customer. There we go. These are the first customers getting their cars. Look at this. Very, very exciting stuff. I do love this. Wow. Brilliant. Bring on the customers. Let's see the share of Tesla go up. Should we have a quick look at what the price is? There you are. Thank you very much indeed for making my truck. I'm loving it. Elon Musk said, "Yep, you're welcome." Brilliant. In you get.
Thank you.
Look at that. We're going to mute this because there's all sorts of copyright issues here with, there you go. There's my truck. Fantastic. That belongs to you now. Enjoy yourself. Brilliant. But I'd rather have a Tesla bot. Cybertrucks are good, but I'd rather have a Tesla bot. Yeah, I'll have both. I'll have the Cybertruck and the Tesla bot. Here we go. I'll have one of these. Yep. This is my truck. Thank you very much. Yeah, let me in. Fantastic. Look at this. You're going to start seeing these driving around. Oh, yes. Fantastic. We apologize for the break-in signal. We had to start the stream again, but it's thrown us all over the place. But we had a technical issue. We had to start again, but never mind.
Oh, wow. Okay.
There you go.
Hope you enjoy your car.
There you go. Imagine being Elon Musk and doing this. Isn't it incredible? What a journey he's been on in his life. He used to be a boy at school who was bullied. A bit like me, really. Had a very hard life when he started out. And now look what he's achieved. Pretty amazing, really. Pretty amazing stuff. So we're just watching these cars be handed over. Shall we have we'll just come out of there a minute because I think we're going to see the same thing over and over again for a while. So let's go back to our stocks for the minute and let's see how Tesla are actually doing in the last few minutes. Let's have a look at the stock price. It's actually down at the moment. Here's Tesla price right now. It's actually down. But there you go. But we're still up 4.8% on it. We'll see how this pans out over the next few days. But very, very exciting stuff. We did have a technical glitch. I apologize for that. We had to start the stream again. So thanks for all finding me. You know how it works. Tap the like button if you can. There's people sort of lost. They don't know where to go. But we're always back. If we ever have a technical glitch, we always fix it and always come back. So you just have to look on the homepage of the channel and you'll see I'm live because it's all lit up red. Anyway, I can't wait to see the day when the Tesla bot is actually driving a Cybertruck. Well, it won't need to, will it? The Tesla bot won't drive a Cybertruck. It drives itself. What are you on about, James 007? What are you talking about? We don't need that, do we? It drives its flipping self. What are you talking about? Oh my gosh. Anyway, who's with me in the chat? If you've just come back in, subscribe and ring the bell. I apologize for the technical difficulty there, but we are back on air again now. and we're all good. Let's go for our portfolio. Where are we looking right now? You can see here, this is where we are today. The overall portfolio is up, looking very strong. 61,070. Yeah, very good. What is actually going up right now? Let's have a little look. We can see our overall portfolio is up. Virgin Galactic just trimmed off. It bounced on that 228. Didn't break it, though. Came back down again, but that's okay. Palantir, too expensive. Gold in the S&P, it's going back up. Amazon, it's going down. Apple's all too expensive. Next year energy up. Enphase Energy going up. Coca-Cola, oh yes, now we're up 5.5%. J&J, we're in the money. Oh, are we? No. $5 out, 0.02. J&J, we're virtually in the money now. Fantastic. I can start trimming at this point if I want to and reduce the size of my position. We can't have Cybertruck in Europe because Elon forgot the crumple zone. Where is the point to buy a 40,000 car if your head bonks into the airbags 20% harder? What are you on about? You forgot the crumple zone. You forgot the crumple zone. I'm not really sure what you mean by that, but I'm sure you'll explain it to me. I'd like to know what you mean. Anyway, let's go through our positions. Kenvue is storming away today, 1.62. Chevron is going up. This is good. Tesla is going. I can't believe Tesla's going down while all this is happening. But that's how it goes, though. When you've got a stock that's incredibly overpriced, what do I mean by trimming? Well, because I've over allocated myself, I've used margin to buy it. I lowered my average. My average has now come down, so the stocks I bought at the lower level are all in profit. The ones that were at a higher level have all averaged out to now be at a wash. So I can start trimming down my position if I want to, but I don't need to. I'm not going to, but I could if I wanted to start to trim my position. That way I'm making money and clearing margin. But there's no reason for me to do that because I earn $2,500 a year just in dividends. So I'm not going to sell my shares unless I have to. But J&J is in a position where it can double over the next year or two. So I've got no reason to sell. But if I wanted to raise some funds, I can. I've lowered my average. I've overbought. I've used margin at 8%, and now I can trim off the top and balance out my portfolio. But again, as I say, there's no real reason for me to do that. Does that explain it? Hopefully that does. All right, we've lost most of our audience because they all fell away because of the Cybertruck event, and we lost connection. But there it is. It happens. Unfortunately, these things happen. Technical issue. Very rarely we get that, but it did happen today. Let's see if everybody's back with me. We're watching the Cybertruck event. There's not much to show you now. Oh, Elon's talking again. No, he's done. He's done with that. He's off to do some more work, I think. Yeah, there's nothing to really show you now. This is the Cybertruck event. There's nothing going on there now. They've handed all the cars over. So there you go. That was the event. We covered as much of it as we could. All right. Let's get back onto the homepage here. Now then, for those of you that have just joined me, we had some very exciting news today. Robinhood is now in the UK. If you want to be the very first to get it, you can use my referral link, which is not there to help me, doesn't give me any free stocks and free shares. What it does do, however, is it puts you on the list where you can get it like today or tomorrow. It's going to be out. There is the list there. You can be the first to jump on it. I've just given you the link in the chat. That 911 pulling demo was savage. That's brilliant. I mean, seriously, I got to say, yeah, I think so. I have to say, MSK, seriously, MSK, didn't that make the 911 look silly? I mean, seriously, a truck was towing a 911 faster than the 911 was driving itself. That's ridiculous. That is flipping bonkers. I mean, it just makes the 911 look silly, right? That's great. MSK, yes, it was crazy. That's the best thing I've ever seen. I mean, hey, look at me. I got a 911. So what, mate? I've got a Cybertruck which can drive and pull your car faster than you can drive yourself. I mean, that's insane. What a brilliant way to market it. I can carry your product better than your product can carry itself at top speed, mate. Mate, isn't that the best? Right, who wants to be the very first guest to phone in using our brand new software? Who wants to be our guest joining in for the very first time? Do you want to call in the mystery spot? Do you want to call in the mystery spot? Of course you do. Be great, right? You want to call in. You want to call in on the mystery spot right there? Okay. So I'm going to give all of you the chance to do this now. This is what you do. This is what you do. I want to get everybody phoning in together. You don't need a computer. You can do it on your phone. It's like Elon Musk. We do everything better here, right? So I'm going to give you the link. This is what you do. You go to the website, martynlucas.com, right? There's the website right there. Can you see it? And then you go here, live phone in. Just go to the live phone in, martynlucas.com, live phone in. Click on live phone in live to the show, and that's it. You are in. Brilliant. All right. You will need a passcode, and I will give my members only a passcode because we don't want any Tom, Dick, and Harry phoning in, do we? There is the link in the chat. I'll give it to you now. And the passcode, of course, the only place I can hide the passcode that no one can see it is in general chit chat on Discord. That way no one can see it. You ready? So I'm going to write it in now. So go to Discord. Here is the passcode. All right, there you go. Right? I've put the password in the general chit chat. So if you go in the general chit chat right now, then you can phone in. It's the very first time we've done it. So everybody phone in. Let's have some fun with it. It's going to be a lot of fun, this. You can use it on your phone, the computer. It's much easier than Discord. It's much easier. It doesn't require any configuration whatsoever. It just uses your device that you're phoning in on. And we can have as many people on the screen as possible, I think. I'm not sure how many we can get in, but it should be a lot of fun if you want to be our mystery guest over here. All right? I love it. I love it. Okay? So, yeah, come and join us if you want to be in our as our mystery guest. You won't be really a mystery guest, right? You'll be seen to the world. Okay? So call on in. And let's have a go on it. Let's see how it works. Right, I've given you all the website, martynlucas.com. Just go to live phone in. You do need the passcode. Only members will have the passcode, so we don't have Tom, Dick, and Harry phoning in talking rubbish. And you can all be on the show, okay? All right, brilliant. Let's give it a minute. It shouldn't take long before everyone finds the code. I've just put it in the general chit chat on Discord, so you can go and see it. Let's see who calls in. Let's get like 4 or 5 people all calling in. I hope you will. All right, be really, really good. Let's see how it works. Okay, we've got 5 minutes to go before the bell goes. And let's get ready. Here is my portfolio. Again, beating the market, beating Warren Buffett at 61,261. We're flying away now. This is really, really strong. Really, really strong. Let's see. I think my Coca-Cola's moving quickly. Yep. There it is. Coca-Cola's moving very, very fast now. J&J's going up. We're in the money. Look how quickly it's going to go up now. Look how quickly. Look at that. Every 0.1 is $30. Every 0.1 is $30. So every 1% is $300 now. Every 1% is $300. Look at it moving. Every 0.1 is $30, so every 1% is $300 now. That is massive, all right? I've been buying the dip forever. Who was it who bought J&J with me this morning? How happy do you feel right now? You've got a stock which is going to double, and you've got it at the bottom. I tried it. I tried. What does that mean, Mike? What does that mean? I tried. You went to the website. What did you do? All you've got to do is go to martynlucas.com. Then you go to the live phone in. Click on it. Enter the passcode. It's in Discord in general chit chat. Didn't go through. What do you mean? What didn't go through? What didn't go through? It's 100%. It's 100% solid state. It'll work. I promise you. There's no issues with it at all. I've tested it and tested it. All you've got to do is go to martynlucas.com. Go to. I'll guide you through it. I'll guide you through it. You just go to martynlucas.com. Go to live phone in. This page here. Phone in to live show. There you go. In. Brilliant. You are in. Once you've got the passcode, I've given you the passcode. The passcode is in general chit chat. Members only can find the passcode. And you select your camera on your phone. This is me phoning in myself, let's see. And whatever microphone you've got, whatever camera you got, and then just go join and you'll be live on the show. All right? And come on, Mike, you can do it. Who's going to be the first person to do it? Very, very exciting. I'm loving it. It says password protected. Yes, I've just given you the password, Mike. Why aren't you paying attention, Mike? I said you need a password. Go into Discord. I've put the password. Yes, there's a password, Mike. It says you need a password. The password is in general chit chat. It's in general chit chat on Discord. I did the password. What? You put the password that I gave you in general chit chat. Are you sure about that? Let's have a look. Yes. And what happened once you put the password in? What happened when you put the password in? What did it say? Did you put the password in correct? It says protected. Well, yes, because it says protected because you got to put a password in. So you put the password in. And then it will work. That's what Sensei just did. That's what I just did. And it works. Can everyone try it, please, and tell me? Mike's saying it says you need a password after I put the password. It says you need the password after you put the password. Hey? Hang on a minute. What is going on here? Is it case sensitive? Hang on. I tell you what, Mike, try this. Try this. I wonder if it's case sensitive. Mike, go back into general chit chat and do the I'll do it again. I'll give you a case maybe it's case sensitive. You just showed me something I didn't know. Here we go. Right, put that in. I put it exactly like the password. Okay, Mike, try it again. I've just given you a part. Maybe it's case sensitive. Maybe it is. Try that. I've just changed it to the way I read it. I didn't know if it was. I didn't think it was case sensitive, but maybe it is. All right, Mike, try that. Let's see if we can get it to work now. So everybody out, no one's calling me yet. I want to see who's going to call me first. Amazon, Apple, NEE, Enphase, Coca-Cola, J&J, Kenview, Just tuning mind and Mike chatting about passwords. Stormin Norman. Yeah, what we're doing, Stormin Norman, we've got a brand new service. If you saw earlier, Sensei phoned in a really, really cool way of phoning in. Much more, it's easier, much more advanced, much better. You don't have to do any settings. I do all the settings for you. All you do is go to martynlucas.com, my website. All right, martynlucas.com, my website. I've given you the link in the chat. Go to the live button, which is here, look, live phone in. Click on phone in live to the show. All right. And it says password protected. You put up the password in, and the password is in the general chit chat on Discord, so only members can see it. And this is what will come into the show. You can do it on your phone, your computer, anything at all. I think I've just thought, no, I'm just thinking. Ignore me. Anyway, who's going to be the first person? It should only take 10 seconds. What's going on? Does anyone know when free shares might be available on Robinhood? Yes, they'll give free shares when they start, when everybody's already on it. What I'm trying to do is I gave you the link to get on the list straight away so you can have it straight away. Even though I don't get free shares for doing that, I want you on it straight away because I'm on the list first. I'm going to have it today or tomorrow. The case sensitive worked, and hit the phone in live button, but won't work. The case sensitive worked and hit the live phone in, but hang on, I'm not sure what you're saying here. The case sensitive worked. Here we go. MSK's done it. Right, there we go. I've got him on the phone and add to the left. Let me assign you. So this will be guest 1, and I will add you to the left. Add me to the right. Come into here. MSK should be live on the show.
Can you hear me?
You haven't got your camera turned on, I don't think. Add right.
No, my camera's a bit faulty. To be fair, I'll. You know what? Next time I call in, I'll use my. I've got 2 work laptops, so I'll use one of them. I generally don't use my work
That's all right.
laptop
Hey, look. But you can see it's working, guys. This is I'm here, and MSK is in this spot here. It's because his camera's not working. If someone else can phone in, we'll have several people on the screen at the same time. So if you can stay where you are a second, MSK.
Yeah, sure.
This is a great test. MSK, what did you do that Mike didn't do?
Martyn, to be honest, I just wanted to, because I could see the desperation in your eyes to make sure that the process actually works. So I thought, you know what, I'll just prove it does work.
Yes, it does work. Come on, Mike. Bloody hell.
Mike, just copy the password that Martyn's posted on the general chit chat. Do a Control-C and then do a Control-V into the space where it asks for the password.
That's it.
And that's it.
I think what happened was he's not enabled his camera because you have to go yes the microphone, yes the camera. Give it permission. That's what he hasn't done. He hasn't clicked yes to those things. But hopefully someone will do it in a second. So just stay right where we are. We're having a phone in with a new service. So let me just give everyone it again. Just stay where you are a second, MSK. You can keep talking. Yeah, sure. I can hear you. It's much clearer sound, much better quality. Oh, here we go. We got Mike joining in now. So Mike, I'm going to answer the phone to Mike. And I'm going to assign Mike guest number 2. And I'm going to put Mike in position 3. So when I go over to here, we should now have 3 people on this camera. Add left. There we go. There's Mike, look. So now we've got 3 people. How are you, Mike? What was wrong with it? What was you doing, Mike?
I went to it from Google, but it wouldn't let me go through with Google search. I had to do it on Safari.
Oh,
it's okay. Google's fault. See, it's Google's fault. It's not Mike's fault.
It's not my fault.
It's nothing to do with Mike.
It said it wouldn't accept the browser, so I had to do it through Safari.
It actually works best on Google Chrome. But if you make it work on Safari, I'm happy. We're learning all the time. It's so much clearer. The quality is so much better, isn't it, than Discord?
It looks good.
It looks really good. And we just need someone in the gap. This is MSK. MSK's in the middle. Look,
Where's
and
he
what we can do, we can do this. Look, we can turn it all around. So I can make Mike solo. Look, Mike's now solo. Hey, how big is that? Look. Flipping out. That's scary. Oh, hang on. Seth Houston's phoning in. So I'm going to add Seth Houston. I'm going to sign him to guest number 3 and add him to the left. And look, now we've got 4 people on the camera. And let me get rid of the tickers at the bottom so I'm not blocked off. Now, everybody, look, you can put in your name. Look, I'm sharing your name on the screen as well now. Look at that. So you can have your name on the screen underneath you. How good's that?
It's great.
That's awesome.
I'm liking this.
Brilliant.
This is good, isn't it?
Really cool.
So
Yeah, you know what, Martin? Next time I'll join with one of my work laptops.
yeah, MSK, you're rubbish,
yeah.
mate. You look rubbish.
I know. Tell me about it.
This
no
is
more
the
super chats, Martin. I'm joking.
This is the world premiere of me doing our phone in, and you've had to make it like this. Just remember that.
Oh dear. Hey, I was the first one to join. Okay, give me that. Props.
You was. I'll give you that. Mike and Seth, turn your camera around on the side so it's landscape. See what happens then. Oh, there you go. Why do you have to tell people things? Can't they see on the screen? I always wonder this. Oh, hello. Seth Houston's just broken the phone. He's in trouble.
I'm getting it.
Oh, hang on. Someone's phoning in. Zed Hink. This is great. Let me assign him as guest number 4. Put him up there. Add him to the left. Look at this. We've now got... Hey, Zed Hink. Now, Zed Hink can't turn his phone around because, let's be fair, he's driving. He can't turn his phone around. But next time, Zed Hink... Has he got the kids in the back?
Yeah, I got the kids with me.
He's always, I tell you what, Zed Hink spends his life driving around with his kids in the back of the car. That's his life. Do what, Mike?
And all fishing day.
And all what?
He was fishing all day.
I know, I saw that. He looked like he's having a nice time, didn't he? Very, very nice indeed. Right.
All right. Wasn't
So
too
what?
bad.
Do you know what we'll do? On the nights when we do the music concert, we could have everybody behind me dancing and singing along with the song. That'd be brilliant, wouldn't it? Hey, Seth, don't forget on Friday,
Not a bad
your
idea.
mum and dad, tomorrow night, I'm going to do Rod Stewart. I am sailing. All right, make sure they join in.
We will be there.
They'll be there. Brilliant. And they've got to be on their own phones, remember?
Oh yes. Oh,
Oh,
yes.
yeah. Because I know they can afford it because they got jobs. They got jobs. They got phones. They got phones. What's the name of your little dog?
This is Chewy.
Chewy.
Or
Chewy.
Chewbacca, if you want to call him by his full
Chewbacca.
name.
Yes, I love it. Now, if you ever do shave your beard, you do not shave the dog's beard. That's not right. The dog deserves.
Yeah.
The dog should have hair, right? Leave the dog alone.
But I've been thinking about it.
Yeah.
I've been thinking about it.
Yeah,
You guys
yeah,
changed
yeah,
my
see?
mind. You've been making me think about it.
I know. And I tell you what, this is my honest opinion, right? You should keep it as long as you can, mate. Because one day you'll be like me and you'll think, I only wish I could have some hair. Why did I cut it off when I was younger? Trust me, you want to just stick with it as long as you can. If I grow a beard, it's all white. I look a bit like ZZ Top. That's what I look like.
That's not a bad thing.
I know. I don't look. Oh, look, Zed Hink, he sorted it out. The only person who's ruining this is MSK. This would look brilliant.
I have a habit of ruining things.
I know you do. Now, do you all agree that this is an easier way of doing it than Discord?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, yes.
It's easier, better quality. Everyone can get involved. This is going to be great. This is going to be brilliant. I'm very excited about this. Very excited about it. Right. So there you go. What a great day today. And if anybody else wants to phone in, it's martynlucas.com. And in fact, I don't think we're going to have time now because I've got to end the show. This was just a little test. All right, guys. Do what, Mike?
How many slots do you have for it?
3,000.
3,000.
Yeah. I'm prepared to be a big YouTuber. Look, there's Solo, there's Seth, there's Mike. I don't mess about. This is MSK. He looks great. Look at that. He looks great, doesn't
I
he?
am the darkness.
He's the darkness. He's the darkness. He's the darkness, all right. Where's everybody gone? Let me make it back again. Right, let's put that back. I'll add him to the left. Look, add me to the right. Add him to the left. Add Mike to the left. Add Seth Houston to the left. And we've lost MSK for some reason. We've lost him.
I'm still here. And you know what? I just realized that just wait one more week. I'll probably have a goatee like Seth.
Will you?
I think that'll be a good time to do it.
Hey, who's this?
I heard you.
Hello? Is this Mike's mum?
Yes, I listen to you
Aw.
all day.
Do you? Hang on a minute. Let me put you on the screen here. How are you? What's your name?
Nell.
Nell, it's lovely to have you on the show. This is Mike's mum. Does he treat you well?
Yes, yes.
Was
and I listen to you all day, every day on his phone.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. What? Hey, what's your favorite music? Who'd you like? What singers do you like?
What singer do you like?
Oh, I like everybody.
Frank Sinatra?
Yeah, that's okay.
Do you like Frank Sinatra?
Yes,
This is for you. Are you ready? Are you paying attention?
yes.
This is for you. This is for you. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me know what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars.
Oh, you're good.
Hey, that was especially for you. I hope you're going to have
accent.
Sorry?
You lost your accent.
I know, it's kind of weird. People say that to me. When I start singing, I lose my accent. I don't know why that is. I don't know why that does it, but it just does. It's very strange, isn't it? But
it's because you're special.
Is that what it is?
I enjoyed talking with you.
I enjoy talking with you. Thank you ever so much indeed. Happy holidays. Happy Christmas, as we say in England. Wonderful stuff. Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Brilliant. Well, that was fun. I really enjoyed it. Thank you guys for being on the show with me. I really appreciate it. And this is going to be a lot of fun. Tomorrow's a Friday phone-in, so get ready for that. And I didn't show you this, did I? Stay where you are. Look. Oh, no, that won't work. That won't work. Let me have a look. Hang on. Add Mike to the left. Let's see if this works. If I put myself to the right and Mike to the left, no, I don't think that will work. Add to the left. I don't know if I can do that. Hang on. Return to the green room. Yeah, I'll put Seth back in the green room. I'll put MSK back in the green room. And I should be able then maybe to get Mike in the left spot. Will that do it? Left spot. Yes. No, not very good. Nah, doesn't work so well that way. Never mind. I broke it. Doesn't matter. Don't have to worry about that. Generally speaking, we'll be like this. All right. All right, guys. Thank you ever so much. I'll see you all tomorrow. All right. There you go.
Take care.
Brilliant.
Take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you for that. That was a good little test. I enjoyed that. Hey, that was fun. Right. So everyone's now coming out of it. They're all exiting. Look, Mike's gone. MSK's gone. There we go. Look at that. Brilliant. So now I need to work out how to fix it back into this spot here. That's the guest spot. Look at that. Look how complicated that looks now. I've no idea how I managed to do that bit though. Interview. Don't worry about that. I'll figure it out later. Anyway, let's wrap up the show. It's all getting a bit confusing now. We don't know what we're doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Right, that's it. Is anybody still watching the show? Are they all packed up and gone home? Let's have a little look. No, everyone's still here. Brilliant. All right, that's it from me. We've got some premieres coming out. Let me bring this back up again. There we go. And right, good. Let me read these comments. So if we join through your link, might we get free shares at... Yeah, there's no free shares of... Yes, because you will be able to refer later on. So if you've not yet done it, let me give you the link right now. Yes, everybody thinks Mike's mum's sweet. In fact, yes, let's all say love to Mike's mum. Mike's mum. We all love Mike's mum. There we go. Love to Mike's mum. Everybody spam the channel. She watches every day. I can't believe she watches me every day. That would drive me up the wall, watching me every day. There we go. How come I'm the only one doing it? How come I'm the only one doing it? Why is not everybody else doing it? Right? There we go. That's better. Love to Mike's mum. That's more like it. Right. What do you call a Ford Fiesta that runs out of gas? A Ford Siesta. How's it going about? How's it going, Captain Fantastic? It's jamming. Jamming. It's jamming. Sorry, I split the quick. Kids very Sorry, I split quick. The kid's very chatty. Don't worry about that, Zed Hink. I thought I'd upset you for a minute. I thought he's just disappeared. Mum is so sweet. Yes, she was, wasn't she? My mother was excited that you talked to her. I love it. I was excited that she talked to me. She could have thought, I don't want to talk to this bloke. Who's this bloke on the telly? I'm not talking to him. Love to Mike's mum. Love to Mike's mum. Love to Mike's mum. When are you covering my Sava stock? Delph. Let's have a look. Delph. Your Sava stock is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's 15 down the list. It's 15 down the list. You can bump it up at any point if you want to get it done straight away. The next opportunity is tomorrow morning. Otherwise, you are 15th down the list. The reviews are extremely popular. Everybody wants a review done. And of course, I will do it. I do 2 or 3 a day. I haven't done any today because we were doing other things with Sensei. Yes, we have. We did the review for Mask today. Anyway, I'm going to disappear and get these videos done. That's it. I love this. Best job in the world, right? Best job in the world. Okay. Let me just wrap up a minute. See what I've got to do here. Okay. Yeah. My setup's a bit messed up now because I had to restart the show in a hurry, so a lot of things got messed up. But anyway, I think we're all good. All right, let's roll the credits. Or do we need to roll the credits? Because we got messed up. We got no members. There's no point rolling the credits actually because we didn't get anything happen in the credits because. In fact, you know what? I always say that. We've got to do it just in case. Just in cases. There we go. Shadoo, shadoo-be-doo, woo. Shadoo-be-doo, doo-be-doo-be-doo, woo. Shadoo-be-doo, doo-be-doo-be-doo, woo. Welcome to the Day Trader Show. Shadoo-be-doo-bap, shadoo-be-doo-be. So who is the day trader? Who is the day trader? Who is the day trader today? And who messed it up? Who messed it up? MSK did. MSK, he messed up the world premiere. You can always rely on MSK today. You're gonna do a premiere and you know he's gonna mess it up. But don't worry, cause we've got Mike's mum. Oh, welcome everybody to the Day Trader Show. This is bound to be a big hit. She-do, dooby-dooby-doo-wo. She-do, 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 dee-dooby-doo. Welcome to the day. I got to work this out. This could be a song. Thanks for your support. It's rubbish. Why am I rolling the credits? I knew there was nothing on it. I don't know why I bothered rolling the credits. Mike's mum stole the show. Well, it's a good job because you ruined it. Up 0.8%. Mike's mum would make Martyn's music concert on a Friday evening. She would, because now I can get everybody singing behind me. Everyone. Why am I still got echo? Turn the echo off. She-do, 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 be-do, be-do, she-do, she-do. What's this funny noise making? What's going on? Good night from him. Good night from me. 'Cause that's it on the show. And it's time for us to go. Until tomorrow, take care of yourselves, take care of your money, your crypto, and each other. Bye-bye.